Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your YouTube sis, Sharia Brooks, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we are talking about how I package and ship my items from my boutique. And I will be talking more about business related stuff. So if you guys want to know how I started my business, what vendors I use, and how just to go about the whole process, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Give me a big like. It definitely helps viewers like you find videos like this for me. And also consider subscribing if you like these type of videos. If you guys want to know how to level up being women boss babes, definitely do consider watching the full video and subscribing to my channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right in. Is still fairly new. I've only launched about 2 months ago before quarantine started. Like the hit of quarantine is when I'm like, okay, I've been having my items sitting, I'm gonna just go ahead and launch. I've created my website, let's go ahead and launch. So I don't get very many orders at the moment because I'm still new and I'm still growing and I'm still learning and I'm still trying to get my name out there, my business out there. But yeah, I just got an order in and I'm super excited. I'm super blessed that I got that order in. So I'm gonna show you guys how I package and ship my orders from home with the regular printer and everything. So this is the order I'm gonna be shipping out today, this t-shirt. And it's my YSW inspired oversized tee. And it's not oversized, guys. It does fit true to size, but that's just like I have this, you know, my desk, and I really like this desk because it has like this glass top where I can slide things right underneath, so it's easy accessible, and I like that. I like everything at my fingertips right away. So I'm gonna just go ahead and grab my label, and I've already used half of the label, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put it in my computer. I'm gonna put my label face down in my printer like so. I'm gonna go ahead and close this baby up. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy my shipping label. Based off of the weight of this t-shirt, it's only 4.7 ounces, so that created a shipping label for $3.21. Shipping labels do vary if you are purchasing them from Shopify. So I'm gonna go ahead and print out my shipping label. I like to include the customer's invoice in their package. All right, so nice. We got our shipping label printed out. We're ready to put our label on our packaging. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my tagging gun away. I put our shirt in, and then I have the packing slip back here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write out my thank you card, because I personally write them out and I do them based off of the customer's name. I like to be personal like that. Okay, so now I got my thank you card, my invoice, my business card, the customer's item. I'm gonna go ahead and snap up and close the package, looks like, before I ship it out. Very nice and neat. Place her inside along with packing invoice. Take off my little sticky. Pressing nice and firm. Voila, she is ready to go. so that her item is all ready to be shipped out. I got my label on here, my shipping label. I have her invoice, my business card, a thank you card, and her item in here as well. So now I'm gonna head to the post office and ship her off, and then we are all set. So thank you guys so much for watching and joining me on today's video. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.